March is Kidney Health Month, and kidney patients and kidney transplant recipients are showing how they move their kidneys to keep them healthy.
David C. Jones here with Sidney the Kidney, and we are at the Canadian Transplant Games. So excited. Sidney wanted to see something, didn't you? Lawn bowling. So you're up first. Head is up. And
looking good.
I don't know. Is that, what do you say? Who's the winner?
We might have to measure. We might have to
measure it. Or know what we could do? Know what we could do? We could call this a tie.
There.
And it's a brilliant game.
Brilliant
so
game.
Good job. Good job. It's a tie. It's a tie. Sidney, give me half. There we go. Yeah.
Why not join in the fun and show us how you keep your kidneys moving? Show us your moves and submit a 30-second video on social media with the hashtag #MovingYourKidneys.